and today we are making lemon cheesecake. We have the recipe right here. It's from the Philadelphia cream cheese. You will also need some butter to pour in here, put in the cake batter. And you'll also need vanilla wafers for the crust. We're going to pour the crust into the cake batter and we're going to press it down. We're done with the crust and we're going to bake it in the oven for 10 minutes under 320 degrees. We already have our crust nice and ready. To continue on with our double lemon cheesecake bars, we will be adding 4 blocks of Philadelphia cream cheese and beat until smooth. Now I will be adding our sugar slowly. Now I will be adding our flour. Now our lemon zest to make it extra tangy and really getting that lemon flavor. Now we will be adding our 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. 1 and 2. Really incorporate that. Then our vanilla. Now we'll be adding our egg white and beat on low. Then one at a time, we will be adding our eggs. And then our last one. So now I will be adding our cheesecake batter onto our cooled crust and really scrape all of that batter on and smooth it. Putting our cheesecake in the oven for 40 minutes at 325 degrees. Now we are on to the lemon curd. We need some zest, 3 eggs, some sugar, and some lemon juice.